Right. We are here in lesson number 2. So we are just learning about the operating system, and we discuss about the file attribute first. Today we have to actually learn more about the operating system and its features, and almost. So there are some practicals. Actually, we have to think. We have to do that practicals, and that is my main focus today. And also we need to learn about the devices or the storage devices today. So first of all, let's focus about the practicals, and then let's come to the storage devices that we are going to use. Actually, inside the storage devices only these files and folders are there. Then we learn how to create folder and how to create a file. Also, how to copy and how to move. These things we have to learn, and how to delete and how to delete permanently, that we have to learn. Characteristics we have done, and that is for this lesson, and renaming part also. So let's do that practical first and then come to the storage devices again. Right. So I'll do this using the sharing basis. And before that, actually, let me go to the note. This is your grade 7 note. And we are in month 3. Sorry.
That's only file.
Yeah. Under your name. Which is month 3 or this one. This one there, sorry. Month 3. Okay, this one. Right. We learn about the capacity measurements already, right? In the second tube. Also the speed measurement. That is also in the second tube. We learned that part. Then we started learning about the files and folders. This is also in the second tube. Now we have the set of activities to be performed. Okay, let's do one by one. Right? There are 14 activities. Let's do one by one. Okay, I would like if you can share your screen first. So who's going to share the screen? First come, first serve. Okay, so a lot of parties are trying. 1, 2, 3, stage is open. Abhinu.
Now I know the screen. Now I know the keyboard shortcut.
Right. So others
Press and
also.
enter.
Right. Others can also follow his screen and do these activities, right? Okay, first thing is creating folders and files. We learn. How? Can you show that again for those who missed? Right click. Yes, please go to the desktop. Within desktop, let's create a new folder first and go inside that. Please go inside that. Okay. So if you want to create a new folder, so what is the shortcut for creating a new folder, Puti? Control Shift N.
Control Shift.
Yes, Control Shift N. Can you press Control Shift N? No, go to that folder. Inside that folder, please press Control Shift N. Go inside that and create. Yes, then press Control Shift N and you will create a folder. Yeah, rename it under your name. So to rename, actually once you create, you can type your name and press enter. Okay, can you have can you create folders with two names? Same name. Sorry, same name.
No.
Okay, can you create a folder with empty name? A challenge. Can you create a folder with empty name?
No.
So why? Just put empty.
Because it needs a name.
It needs a name. Are you sure?
Yes, it needs a name, and
So, Abhinu, do you have number pad in your computer?
No, sir.
So, can you take the on-screen keyboard, please? On-screen keyboard? No, don't search. Get the on-screen keyboard. Just minimize this. Get on-screen keyboard. It's there. Search for on-screen keyboard. Kila search karan. Oh, browser code ne.
Yes, I got it. Yes, I got it.
Browser kain kala da. Nikon.
Sir, I can't join.
Yes, I got it.
Sorry. Okay, now please move this down and so can you enable the number pad there?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I can't join in computer.
It's okay. So on-screen keyboard, so number pad is not coming. So just turn on the numeric pad. Okay, now you can see the numeric pad, right? Press numlock key in the corner, bottom. Okay, numlock. Then you get the numbers. Okay, so that's whatever. Now go to the rename again. Rename Abhinu. Click on the folder and rename. Now type ALT key. ALT key. Press ALT key. Don't type. Press ALT key. Now go and turn on the number lock. Number lock. And type 255. 255. Press enter. Okay. You got that empty folder. Others, have you done that? Okay, I gave a challenge. Others can try this, right? I gave a challenge. Yes. I asked you to put
Is it 200 and
255.
Okay, sir.
So that is space, but space as a signal, not the space bar. Space bar won't work there. So you can't create two folders in the same location. So that's the error that you're getting. If you erase one folder, then possible. Erase one folder, it's possible. Okay, can someone else share that? I'll guide someone else. Okay, we're on. Yes. Turn on the number lock, number pad. So please go to the number pad. Please go to the on-screen keyboard. Control Shift N is the shortcut for new folder. Control Shift N.
I have a number pad in my keyboard.
Then you can press Alt and 255 from number pad. Control Shift N for new folder. So why don't you use shortcuts, Pute?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Shortcuts are very easy.
Yeah, it's easy. Okay, so okay, who else can share? Yes. All right, okay. Alt plus 255. So that is the way of rename. Okay, that is a small thing, right? Just to show. Okay, now you know how to create a folder, how to rename that, how to create a file. How to create a file. Right click.
Control Shift N.
Right click new, then you can select one of these files. Okay, files are having extensions. Now we know that how to create a file and how to create a folder and how to edit it. We know how to rename it. We know how to copy and move. So that is the next thing. Okay, give your name, Manudar. I want to put a copy to, okay, create a folder also, Manudar. Create another folder there, Control Shift N to create another folder. And can you move copy of manudar.txt to that folder? Only using mouse, a copy using mouse. No, this is not copy. You have moved the original. Wrong.
No, sir. With the options are there.
Yeah, ඔය copy නෙමෙයි මනුද. ඔය කරේ move කියන එක. cut paste තමයි ඔය කරේ. Copy එක කොහොමද කරන්නේ? Yes, copy is okay. How to move? Take a copy. When you move, you have to press the කොහොමද? Control key එක press කරගෙන move කරන්න ඕන. While pressing the control key, if you can click and move the file, then you'll get a copy. So what is the short way? Control key එක press කරගෙන මොකක් හරි එකක් move කරොත්. If you press the control key and move, you will get a copy. Yes?
Sir, but there's the same name file, right? That's the reason, and we can't rename in the same way, and it is replacing. But in this, the copy is there. The copy text are there, but the same name.
Yeah. But copy is not in the same location.
No, sir, I know that, but if we bring that file again to here, again to this folder.
Okay. So
It is
you
again,
you can't have two copies under same name in the same location, but you can have two copies under same name in different locations. Right? Same location, no. So එකම location එකේ එකම නමින් copy දෙකක් බෑ. Location දෙකක පුළුවන්. In two locations you can. Okay. So now you know how to copy and paste, copy and move. What's the difference between copy and move? Copy will take a duplicate, then move
is cutting.
Move will like. So what is the correct way or long path? You have to right click and copy. Manudar, can you copy and show? Right click on the file and copy, or folder and copy. Right click on the file and folder, copy, then right click and select copy. So where's your right click? Then copy, then right click on some other place. Right click on some other place and paste. So that is the traditional way. Right click, copy, right click, paste. So if you want to move, right click and cut. Right click and cut. And then you have to right click and paste. Don't paste to the same location, paste somewhere else. Otherwise you can't see that. No? Right click and cut. Then go to that empty folder. Let's go to the empty folder. Then right click and paste. Okay. Right. Copying and pasting, cut and pasting, that we have practiced.
So we can write Control C and copy.
Yes.
And, Control V is paste, or the Shift and insert.
Yes, those are the shortcuts. Those are the shortcuts. Control C, Control V, copy paste, or Control insert and Shift insert. So that is also working. That is there in the note, right? I have given it. That is there in the note. So that is also possible. See here. So there are many methods of doing that, right? There are many methods of doing that. So to move, to copy, Control C, Control V, or Control insert and Shift insert. Or you can, what you can do? Right click
and copy.
That also you can write. Right click and select copy, right click and paste. So that is also possible. Or you can select the copy button in the toolbars and select paste button in the toolbar. Can you do that using toolbar? Someone else? Okay, Shavin. So where's the toolbar? Can you show? That is toolbar. Okay. Can you show copy? Right. Okay. The paste. That is in the toolbar also. Copy paste can be done using copy and paste tools in the toolbar. Here, copy tool and paste tool. Here, the cut tool. That is also possible. And also another method. So please add to your note. There's another method. What is that? Control and drag. Press control key, press and hold the control key.
Dragging is the hardest way to do that.
Sir,
Dragging
may
is the hardest way to do that.
And drag it. Press
excuse
and
me,
hold.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, මේ ඔක්කොම videos වැටෙනවද GICTS එකට?
Oh,
Okay.
press and hold the
Sir, the
control key and drag it.
Dragging one is the most hardest one.
Is it hard?
Copy.
Why?
Yeah, sir, because if the files are underneath,
No.
we can't scroll while clicking and dragging.
Right. Okay. These are how copy and paste. Cut paste. Cut paste. Control X, Control V. Or you can right click and cut and right click and paste. So that is not there. I'm adding to the note. Right click and select cut. Then right click and paste. Or you can just drag it without pressing and controlling all the without pressing the control key. You can drag it. Drag it using mouse to the new location. So that is the way of moving the original file. Okay, now we learn how to copy and paste, how to cut and paste, how to create, how to edit, and how to rename. How to see properties also we have done.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, that is using Windows, right? That is using Windows. So let's see that using DOS now. This part done, done, rename done. So what is the shortcut for rename?
F2.
F2, yes. Rename, shortcut is F2, right?
I always using F2 because I don't use just clicking and renaming.
Yes.
I always using F2 only for renaming.
Okay, F2 or click and so yes, that is not there in the note. Pute, I'm adding that to the note. Here I need to write that. Here. How to rename? Please write that because it is not there. Oh, sorry. How to rename? Click on the file and folder or folder. Click it again. Simplest way.
So
Click
click
kalla
it.
ටිකකින් ආයෙ click කරන්න. Click kalla ටිකක් ඉඳලා ආයෙ click කරන්න. Then we'll give the rename.
It means like a second.
Yes, right. Don't double
like,
click, right? Double click,
click.
නෙවෙයි. Not
No,
double
no,
click.
I mean a click and a second a click.
Yes, click it after some time, click it again. Right click and select rename. That is another method. Right click and select properties and change the name. That is another way. Press F2 and rename. That is another way. So by using these ways, you can rename.
I mean like from the keyboard shortcuts you rename F2, type a name and enter it.
Yes. Okay. So if you don't know any of this method, please let me know, then I can help you, right? Some are thinking, අද නම් කරන්නේ ලේසි දේවල් එහෙනම් අද ක්ලාස් එකේ ඉන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. පොඩි ඒවනේ. ලබන සතිය බලා ගන්නවා. So some are thinking like that. So I can see from the attendance. Right?
I'm not thinking like that because I like the class.
But still I have not started the hard thing, right? එම අමාරු ටික කරනවා තාම පටන් ගත්තේ නැහැ.
Sir,
Yes.
මම ඉස්සෙල්ලා සර් ෆෝල්ඩ් එකේ නම හයිඩ් කරන්න යන වෙලාවේ වැරදිලා මාව ලොස්ට් වෙලා අන්තිමට ඒකට ඩවුන් ඇරෝ එකේ සයින් එක ආවා. ෆෝල්ඩ් එකට.
Hmm.
ඒක සර් එහෙම එන්නේ කොහොමද? ඒ සිම්බල් එකක් මෙහාවේ සර් ඩවුන් ඇරෝ එකේ
ඒවා icon එක change කරන්න.
හරි සර්. thank you.
You have changed the icon.
Sir, but sir, can we like what if I do like 255? It means like what is the special thing of
That is a symbolic way of giving space. Symbolic way of giving space bar.
But sir, when renaming, there's an no space or no letter. I know that, but why can't we use space for that?
So ask from Bill Gates. Don't ask from me. Space bar is not supported. I don't know why, but space symbol is supported. Right? Bill Gates has hide that. It's hidden there. Okay. That is, those are called Easter eggs today. You know what? Those are called Easter eggs. These things
It means like
the tricky
the
things.
cartoons.
The tricky things in the computer which are not happening, but when you try, so it can be done some other way. So these are like small magics. These are called Easter eggs. I'll suggest you one thing. Let's see, sometimes this might work. This is another Easter egg. Okay, hopefully you have finished writing this, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, another Easter egg. Let's try. I'm not sure that this is working now. Can you rename a folder with CON? Con. Or COM1, computer 1, COM1.
I don't know. I just haven't.
COM1, COM1, computer 1, COM1 without any spaces. COM1.
We can't, sir.
Try to rename. When you rename, you have to give this name, COM1. No spaces.
Sir, we can't.
Can't.
No, sir. No specific device name.
Why?
Name is invalid.
Again, you have to ask from Bill Gates. No, that the reason is COM1 is used.
Sir, I can't.
That is a keyword. Keyword means reserved word. එක වෙන් කරපු වචනයක්. Bill Gates තියාගෙන තියෙනවා මේ වචනේ අනිත් අයට දෙන්න නැතුව. එහෙම නෙවෙයි. COM1 කියලා කියන්නේ මේ pen drive එහෙම ගහන්න ඉස්සර තිබ්බ serial port එකේ ඒකට දැනටත් පාවිච්චි කරන COM1 communication port 1 කියන එක. COM1. COM1 is a reserved word.
Sir, in the Arduino.
Yeah, this can be done in Linux or some Mac OS or some other, but not in Windows. COM2 also not possible. Try COM2. So those are called Easter eggs. Can't, no? But there's a special way of doing that. Search in the internet. There's a special way of doing that. When you create that, you can't. No one can delete that folder. That is the next thing. You can create the folder, but usually you can't delete that. So that is the next thing. So I'll teach you how to do that. So you have to type this command, Pute. So go to command prompt. Command prompt එක දාන්න ඕනේ. Go to command prompt.
Sir, run as administrator.
Okay, sir.
number.
Run as administrator ඕනෙත් නැහැ.
Sir, so then we type sir.
So there's a special command. Then you have to type right? Go to command prompt and type md double backslash space double backslash space එකක් තියලා double backslash, so this is forward slash double backslash dot backslash backspace එක යටින් backslash තියෙනවා. දැන් ඔන්න අකුරු මතක නැහැ. Dot, after that dot, then again backslash, then C colon, again backslash, C colon market colon.
How?
ඒක තමයි මතක නැහැ. දැන් ඕක මතක නැතුව බෑ keyboard එකේ keys. colon කියන්නේ dot දෙකක් තියෙනවා. colon, that is semicolon. Okay, C colon, again backslash නෙමෙයි enter ගන්න එක. press up arrow again, press up arrow again, up arrow එක ගන්න. then backslash you can say, oh no backslash එකයි backslash එකයි. then con enter. now com1 or con whatever com1 උනොත් ඔය වගේ පුළුවන් com1.
So where's the folder, sir?
C drive, C එකට යන්න. Explore එකට යන්න. Now yes, you can see this con and com1. Can you delete that? Can you try to delete that? Possible, right?
What just happened?
Earlier days when I try to delete, it's also not possible. Now I think at least it can be deleted. But earlier days it was not possible to even delete that. Com1, but it's possible, right? It's possible. There are ways. So those are also called Easter eggs. Bill Gates වත් හොරෙන් හදනවා නේද? folder Bill Gates එපා කියලා තියෙනවා අපි හදනවා. Okay. So this
In my computer, it cannot be deleted.
In your computer it cannot be. Yes, some computers it's not. I think Windows 11 will let you delete that.
We cannot.
So
Hello.
I can't even.
If we rename it, can we delete it then?
But you can't rename. Try to rename.
No, sir, we can't.
Yes, you can't rename. In order to delete, you have to write the same command. I'll send you the command. If you want to delete that, I'll send you the command. So into the chat. So this is the deleting command. But normal ways, it cannot be deleted. So this is, no need to type that C colon that one, but just type this command, del double backslash dot C colon slash con. Then it will be deleted.
It says access denied.
No, del will work.
Okay.
Command, you have to write the command. Without command, you can't delete. Normally, you can't delete. But here in Abhinav's computer, it can be deleted. But normally, I have seen cannot be deleted.
Then my one also can be deleted.
Computer. Maybe you are using
Because it's on Windows 11 too. I know. Windows 11, I know.
Windows 11 again. That's the reason. Okay, that's why I said OS to OS, this can be different.
What is this?
Yes, I will show. Yes, you are good. Yes. Y, letter Y and enter. Yeah. Okay. So now we learn some magics. So, but these are just magics, right? Just not like just special commands. Okay. So let's do the same thing. That means creating folders, creating files using command line now. The command line is a powerful tool. Okay, I would like to shift to someone else's screen today. So can a girl share screen? Not Veron. Veron is not a girl. I hope. Okay. This is Hirusha.
How did I?
Hirusha is
How
the
did
girl.
I? How
Okay.
did
Hirusha can ahan de mage ahan depa Hirusha dala එක from එකක් wallpaper එකක් දාලා animated wallpaper.
What is that?
How to do it?
Hirusha, I want a girl to share the screen. I'm giving chance to girl. Okay. Okay. Udamsa. So let's see how to work with command prompt now. I'm going to do all the activities with command line interface. Please access command line, command prompt. You can go to the Windows button and search command prompt. Command, yes, search there. Itana search karana, command prompt. Type command prompt. Then you can see the black color icon, which is command prompt. You have to open that.
So we can get from the run dialog box.
Yes, you can get it from the run dialog box.
CMD.
Yeah, CMD. You Windows press R and then CMD. And now, so your location is C users my PC. If you want to see your desktop location today, so keep it aside and press the shift key and right click on empty area of the desktop here. Shift key and right click on an empty area. Okay, keep it aside. Just go to your desktop. Shift key, press shift key and right click. Shift key press කරගෙන right click කරන්න මේ රවුම මැද්දේ කොහේ හරි command එකක්. Shift and right click. Desktop එකේ right click කරන්න. Udamsa. Can you right click in the desktop today? While pressing the shift key. Now you can see shift key එක press කරගෙන right click කරන්න ඕන දරුවෝ. ඔය එක වැරදි. Shift key එක press කරගෙන right click කරන්න. Now you can see open PowerShell window here. Can you see? Open PowerShell window. You click that.
In the Windows 11 power channel like
Okay. Now you can see your desktop path. එතකොට desktop path එක ඔයාලට පේනවා. මොකද්ද desktop path එක Udamsa? Can you tell your desktop path? Or can others tell her desktop path?
C users my PC OneDrive desktop.
Yes. C users my PC OneDrive desktop. Okay, now minimize the blue color window, Pute. Minimize the blue color window. And you have to go to that OneDrive now. CD OneDrive. How to go inside a folder? CD space OneDrive. This is in Udamsa's computer. Someone else's computer may be only CD desktop, right? Type CD space OneDrive. මොකද මෙයාගේ OneDrive දාලා තියෙන්නේ. OneDrive නැති කෙනෙක්ගේ කෙලින්ම CD desktop. ONE CD space ONE 1 and tab key එක ගහන්න ඔටෝ වැඩි එතකොට. OneDrive tab key එක ගහන්න tab එක caps lock එකට උඩින් right. Okay, enter. Then CD space desktop. This is how you access desktop in your computer using command line.
access.
Desktop. 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 Enter. Right now you are in the desktop. Right, Udamsa. The step 1 is correct. So if anyone need help, you can ask. I can give you the help. First of all, you need to know whether OneDrive enabled or OneDrive disabled. If OneDrive disabled, you can directly access CD desktop. If OneDrive is there, you have to type CD OneDrive, after that CD desktop. In Udamsa's case, she has enabled OneDrive, so you have to access like CD OneDrive, after that CD desktop. Now you are in the desktop. Let's create 10 folders. Pute. MD space 1 space 2 space 3 space 4 space like up to 10. Enter. And you will see 10 folders in your desktop. Can you see? When you minimize or when you move this out, yes, there are 10 folders. This is how we create folders. If you give only one name, it will create one folder. Can you create a folder under your in your name, Puti? ඔයාගේ නමින් folder එකක් හදන්න. Your full name. Go to command prompt again. No. Go to command prompt again in the command line. MD, then give your full name. MD, Udamsa, the other part also need to be given. Press enter. And so now you can see your expectation was not done. Press enter and see. So what has happened? Mukaduni.
They are in different names.
Yeah, there are 2 folders. Balana minimize kala puti oka. Can you minimize and see? Udamsa is there and it's yes. So why? Because it has taken that as 2 folders. Go back to command prompt puti. When you type something with spaces, you have to use quotation. Write it again puti. MD. These are experiences. Space. Quotation open. Double quotation open. Quotation තියෙන shift එකත් එක්ක උඩුකමා දෙක quotation L එකට අකුරු දෙකක් මෙහා පැත්තේ keyboard එක මතක නැහැ නේද quotation කියන්නේ මේකට මෙහෙම ලියන්න ඕන උදම්සා විනෝදිනී with quotation දුන්නා නම් හරි මෙන්න මේ විදියට. Can you see the red color writing which is there? Red color letters. Can you type? No. ඒ කමා දෙකක් දැම්මේ පුතේ. shift එකත් එක්ක ඒක ගහන්න ඕන double quotation වලට. වෙලාවට මම බලන්නේ ඔයාලගේ practical. නැත්තම් මොනා කරයිද දන්නේ නැහැ. Type it now. Udamsa space Vinodini. Then the quotation close, double quotation close, and press enter. And then you can see your full name, folder with your full name. Right, okay, done. Okay, now let's say you want to rename a folder or file. Right, if you want to rename a file or folder, so how to do that? No, using command prompt. Right? Okay, so let's do something like this. I want to, I'll give this, I'll give a challenge. I want to copy Udamsa Vinodini folder to, I want to copy this folder to folder 1 using command prompt. Now this is difficult. Command prompt එකෙන් මම මේ ඉස්සර කරපු හැටි කියලා දෙන්නේ ඔයාලට. දැන් ඔයාලට ඉච්චර අමාරු නෑ. Just copy and paste නේ. Okay, go to the command prompt again පුතේ. Now you have to tell the copy. Command is copy. Copy space the folder that you want to copy. Udamsa Vinodini. Open the quotation. Open the double quotation. Type U, letter U, D. Then tab key. Tab key will auto complete that. Tab key එක ගහනම auto complete වෙනවා පුතේ. නෑ. Tab නෙවෙයිනේ ඔය. Tab key in the keyboard. Caps lock එකට උඩින් තියෙන්නේ. That is above the caps lock. Udamsa, listening to me. Tab key which is above the caps lock key. Caps lock key එකට උඩින් තියෙන tab එක ගහන්න එන්නේ නැද්ද? Then space. To which folder you want to copy? Folder 1. Give 1. Folder 1. Enter. Okay, you can see the system cannot find the copy. You have to copy Udamsa Vinodini. Then you have to paste it inside the folder. Okay, system cannot find the files. It doesn't find any file. That's why you're giving that name. So it's not moving the folder. Actually, it's trying to move in the file. That's the reason. So what you can do is you can X copy. So if you want to copy a folder, you can X copy. But let's copy a file. So can you create a file called Udamsa Vinodini in the desktop? A text file. So let's do it to file because we want to learn copy command in command line. New file, new text file. Right click, new text document. Text document. Just below there. Text document. No. 1, 2, 3. Third one from the bottom. Yes. Rename with your name. Rename with your name. Okay, others can also follow how to copy and paste. Yeah, Udamsa, that's enough. Udamsa. Press enter. Now you are going to copy that file. Go to the command prompt. So you have to write the copy command again. Then you have to type the file name. You can start with UDA and press tab key. UD and press tab key. Then it will auto complete. Tab key, again tab key, again tab key. Okay, space. You want to copy that inside to the folder called 1. Press, then type 1. 1 is the next folder. Press enter and you can see 1 file copied. Can you go and see inside folder 1? Just double click and see. You can see that text file is copied. It has copied. Okay, now you know for everything, command line can also be used. That's what I want to show you. You know, ඕනම දෙයක් මොකද අපිට කරන්න පුළුවන්. අපිට GUI එකෙන් කරන්නත් පුළුවන්, command line එකෙන් කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. Which is easy?
Command line.
Command line is easy. Wow, good. GUI, graphical user interface. GUI is easy, right? Command line is a bit difficult. You have to remember the commands, no? But graphical user interface is easy. But you know that the command line interface is very fast and it is robust, it is trustworthy. And most of the servers, network users, they are using this command line. And especially when this network hacking is done, they are using this command line to run the commands. Because then no one can see. So secretly then command is running in the computer. Okay. So that is possible. It is possible to secretly execute a command. So let's say you want to delete all the folders. Udamsa, can you double click on your text file? No, not there. The text file that you are creating in the desktop. And write this command there. When I make command, double click. Okay, write this command. ATTRIB. I'm going to write it here. Not there. So others also can try. ATTRIB. Then plus S plus H plus R slash S slash D. Type this command. Space. After that, print the space plus S. Plus S means system. එකතු කිරීමේ ලකුණ S plus S.
So I typed it.
Space plus H space plus R slash H slash D space R එකටත් පස්සේ space එකක්. /s/d /s එකට පස්සෙත් space එකක් තියෙනවා. After /s also there's a space. ඇයි මැකුවේ ඔක්කොම? +s+h+r/s/d. Okay. Others finish writing this command in the notepad.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now this is a bit dangerous, right? But don't worry. So this command can be recovered. You can write the command in the reverse direction. This command is instructing the computer to hide all the folders and files in specific location. So let's save this file. File save as. Udamsa, let's save the file. File save as. ඔය මොකක්ද? File menu එකේ save as. Go to the file menu. There's something called save as. No, here in the file menu. There you have save as. You have to do a lot of practical scenes. Then select this as all files. Text files name all files. All files. Select it, and here you have to give the extension .bat. After the name, after the file name, give the extension .bat, bat. BAT. Save. Save it. Minimize this, please. Now double click on the bat file that you have created recently. Just double click on the bat file and execute it.
So in my laptop there's nothing.
Huh?
In my laptop there's nothing.
Nothing means?
It means in the desktop.
Desktop no folders, then don't worry, nothing will be hit. Can you see what has happened? Damsa? Everything gone, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Some apps are going to.
Huh?
Some apps are going to.
Yeah, apps are not deleted, that apps are not removed. So those are shortcuts. What you can see in the desktop are shortcuts. All the files, traditional files and folders will be removed. Okay. So now, how to get that back? Go to the notepad again. Now change all pluses to minuses. Plus ටික minus කරන්න. Minus එකෙන් කියන්නේ අයින් කරන්න කියලා. S කියන්නේ system අයින් කරන්න. Please remove the system status. H means please remove the hidden status. R means please remove the read only status. And go to again file save as. File save as. Give some name. Maybe take back or something. Some name. .bat. bat. මොකක් හරි වෙන නමක් දෙන්න පුතේ. ඔය නමෙන් දැන් එකක් තියෙනවනේ ෆයිල් එක. එකම නමින් ෆයිල් දෙකක් තියෙන්න බෑ. I said that. Give some other name. .bat, .bat, and all files, and set it to all files. Save it. Double click it. Double click that file, and you will get that files back. Here is it. Here's the file. See there where it's coming. Observe your desktop carefully. double click on that file today, you'll get that files back again. Right, okay, so I just want to show the power of the command prompt. That's why the hackers and all, they like this. So because secretly commands can be executed. So this command is visible. You can, so but if someone tricked you, it's possible to. Okay, now you know how to hide and get that back, right? Have you tried? You got the result or struggling?
Sir, can you send that antivirus command again?
It's not antivirus, it is unhiding. Hiding command is attrib +s +h +r /h/d. Here's the hiding command, attrib. +s means make it system. +s make it system. +h hide it. +r make it read only. /s means subfolders and the subdirectories. For all, apply this command. So this is for the hiding. For unhiding, you have to use minus of that. -s -h -r /h/d. That is for unhiding. Okay. Now we learn both, right? We know now how to write commands, how to write command as batch files. Right? Can we write the folder creation as batch file? That is also possible. How to write? Okay, try this command, Puti. This is for folder creations. I'll give this as one last command. You can try this as home. And I'm sending this to chat. Udamsa, can you open this notepad again? Puti? Notepad එක text file එක ගන්න. bat ඒවා ගන්න එපා. මේ තියෙන text එක. Open the text file again. Okay, then you can type this command. Okay, I have sent a command. Can you copy and paste that command? It's in the chat. You can copy and paste that command. And I'll send the reverse command also. Otherwise, you are in trouble, no? Okay, now please again save as, file save as. Then give some name, කැමති නමක් දෙන්න. Give some other name. ABC හරි දුන්නට කමක් නැහැ. .bat. BAT. All files දාන්න ඕනේ යටි. You have to put all files from the. Okay, save it. Double click on the file and see the results. Okay, what will be happening? You will get 100 folders in your desktop. Right. Now, reverse command to delete that. I have sent the reverse command also. Or you can, yes, you can right click on this file. Or yes, there's another method. You can right click on this file and edit it. Edit. Then instead of M, use R. M වෙනුවට R දාන්න. M විතරක්ම කළා ඒ වෙනුවට R දාන්න. Remove directory. Remove directory කියන්නේ මකන්න කියලා. Save it. File save. Save as ඕනේ නිකම්ම save කරන්න. එකලා double click කරන්න. Minimize and double click that and you will, it will erase all 100 without any errors. This is the folder. This is the file. Please double click on that. Okay, all 100 erased. Easy. So see how fast it. That's why you should like command prompt, right? It's faster and it's easy. It's not easy. It's difficult, hard to learn, but it is faster. Okay, Bhude, with that, I'll stop for today.
Thank you, sir. Goodbye, sir.
Okay, try this
Thank you,
command.
sir. Goodbye, sir.
Bye.
Sir.